Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Learning.
Do you enjoy watching TV with your family or friends?
In today's lesson, you'll listen to a simple and natural English conversation about watching TV together.
You'll learn useful English expressions for choosing a show, talking about TV programs, sharing opinions, and enjoying a relaxing evening.
This lesson is perfect for beginners who want to improve their everyday English.
Now, let's begin.
Are you ready to watch TV?
Yes, I'm ready.
What would you like to watch tonight?
I'm not sure.
How about a movie?
That sounds good. What kind of movie?
Maybe a comedy.
I like comedies. They're funny and relaxing.
Exactly.
Do you have any good movies in mind?
Yes, there's a new comedy movie on TV tonight.
Really? What time does it start?
It starts at 8 o'clock.
Perfect. We have plenty of time.
Great. Let's watch it together.
Sounds good.
Before the movie starts, I'm going to make some popcorn.
Great idea.
Would you like some?
Yes, please. I love popcorn.
Do you want anything to drink?
I'll have some orange juice.
Okay, I'll get it from the kitchen.
Thanks.
Do you want the lights on or off?
Let's turn the lights down a little.
Okay.
This feels like a movie theater.
You're right.
Where should I sit?
You can sit on the sofa.
Great. I'll get comfortable.
The movie is about to start.
Perfect timing.
This movie looks interesting.
Yes, I like the main character already.
Me too.
Oh, look, something is happening.
What happened?
I think the main character is in trouble.
Really?
Yes, look at the screen.
Oh, you're right.
This is getting exciting.
I can't wait to see what happens next.
Me neither.
Do you understand everything?
Most of it.
That's good.
Sometimes the characters speak too quickly.
Yes, they do.
But it's good English listening practice.
Exactly.
There's a commercial break.
Let's get some more popcorn.
Good idea.
So, what do you think of the movie so far?
I really like it.
What do you like about it?
I like the story. It's funny, but also interesting.
I agree. What about you?
I like the characters.
Which character is your favorite?
I like the woman who works at the restaurant.
Oh, she's funny.
Yes, she makes me laugh.
The commercial is almost over.
Okay, let's get back to the movie.
Wow, that was a good movie.
I really enjoyed it.
What did you think about the ending?
I liked it, but I didn't expect it.
Me neither. The ending was surprising.
Yes, I thought something different would happen.
Would you watch this movie again?
Yes, definitely.
Me too. What's your favorite kind of movie?
I like comedy and action movies.
Nice. I prefer comedy and romantic movies.
Maybe we can watch another movie together next weekend.
That's a great idea.
I'll choose the movie next time.
Okay, but you have to choose a good one.
I'll try.
Let's review what we learned today.
We learned how to talk about watching TV and movies together.
We learned how to choose a TV show or movie.
We also learned how to talk about our opinions.
For example, I really like it.
Or, I didn't expect that.
And we learned how to talk about our favorite kinds of movies.
Comedy, action, romance, and many more.
Great job!
Listen to this lesson again and repeat each sentence out loud.
The more you practice, the more confident your English will become.
Thank you so much for watching Everyday English Learning.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment.
What is your favorite kind of TV show or movie?
Tell us in the comments.
See you in the next lesson.
Goodbye and happy English learning.